If you want to avoid plagiarism in Grammarly, the key is to scan first, review carefully, and then fix only the parts that are actually being flagged. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can catch matching text, rewrite it properly, and keep your work original and professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get into it. First, open your document in Google Docs or any online editor where Grammarly is active. Once your document is loaded, look for the floating Grammarly widget, sometimes shown as the green G or the fingerprint style icon, depending on your setup. This little tool is what gives you access to Grammarly's checking features. Now click the widget, and at the bottom of the panel, choose Check for AI and Plagiarism. If you see the option inside the main menu, select it there as well. Grammarly will begin running an authorship report and comparing your text against billions of web pages. This step is important because you can't fix plagiarism properly until you know exactly which parts are being matched. Once the scan finishes, review the highlighted sections carefully. Grammarly will show you the text matches it found, and these are the passages you need to pay attention to. Don't just ignore the flags or guess which sentence is the problem. Look at every match one by one so you understand whether it's a direct copy, a close paraphrase, or a paraphrase, or a phrase that needs a citation. If the matched text comes from another source and you used it intentionally, the safest fix is to cite the source properly. If it is a direct quote, put it inside quotation marks and make sure the attribution is clear. And if it is your own idea but the wording is too close to the original, rewrite it in your own words so the structure and phrasing are clearly different. Now let's talk about the fastest way to rework those flagged lines. Once you know which sentences are being marked as unoriginal, highlight the text inside your editor. After that, click the blue bar that appears on the left edge of your highlighted selection. Grammarly will bring up quick options for rewriting, and this is where you can choose rephrase or improve it. When Grammarly generates the new version, read it carefully before inserting anything. The goal is not just to swap a few words here and there. You want the sentence to be genuinely restructured while still keeping the original meaning. Check that the new version sounds natural, fits your writing style, and does not accidentally create a new match somewhere else. If the suggested rewrite still feels too close to the original, edit it again manually. Change the sentence structure, vary your vocabulary, and make sure the final version sounds like something you would actually write yourself. That extra review step can make a big difference, especially if you're working on blog posts, essays, reports, or website content. A good habit is to run the plagiarism scan first, then fix the flag text, and then scan again to confirm everything is clean. This second check helps you catch any sections you may have missed and gives you more confidence before you publish or submit your work. So the simple formula is scan your text, review the matches, cite when needed, use quotation marks for direct quotes, and rewrite anything that's too similar. That's the safest and smartest way to avoid plagiarism in Grammarly without wasting time. If you found this guide useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.